Man, this is -9. This is probably the coldest temperature I've ever been. So far so good. Let's see. This is Tashi right there with me. Very kind enough to pick me up, and we are heading to the hotel. And that is where we'll meet the other runners. Day 1 and the briefing begins.
The reason we are doing this marathon is that there are a few pointers to it. Adventure Sports Foundation, our vision is to inculcate sustainable behavior through sports. So that's one thing. Other thing is we want to promote winter tourism in the rural villages of Ladakh. That is the interest of the program.
You're doing athlete introductions. Hi guys, my name is Abhishek. I'm a chartered accountant on the weekdays. On the weekends, I run a YouTube channel called as Triathlon Made Easy. I'm not a very good runner, but I like challenges. So thank you, Chamba, for inviting me. And my aim is to go back in one piece and be, if I can do that, I think it's success. And continue the challenge. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for that like, share, and subscribe. So that's the organizing team. And it's such a great hospitality. The athlete introduction is over. Now they're giving us the athlete bibs, or rather hoodies. Excel. Sorry. Thank you. Good morning guys. Today is day 2. I'm feeling better, much better than yesterday. It's not as cold as yesterday. कल तक ना यहाँ पे बहुत बर्फ जो जो पड़ी थी शायद एक हफ्ते पहले और जम गई थी, अभी वो पिघलने लगी है. Today we are heading to ice stupa in a town called as Ang. We have a 40-minute walk, which is, I think it'll be a good test. Chalo, see you guys. Wow, heart rate of 127 for 100 minutes walk. बाप रे, कल परसों तक hopefully heart rate will stabilize. It has to यार, कल medical test है. We are at Sangam. That river is Zanskar. This is Indus. Both of them meet here and now they become Indus. We've reached Ang village and we are gonna walk towards, it's a 40-minute walk from here to the ice stupa. Let's go. Man, these ice cleats are excellent. ये देखो, अगर मैं इसमें try करता हूँ. See, this is black ice, right? हाँ, ये देख. सही है. This is good. Wow, 1 kilometer up. Oh, that's the ice stupa right there. So after a nice 1 hour long hike, we are here at the ice stupa. This is how the inside of the ice stupa looks. It's quite dark.
These are like stalagmites.
And
Ice
अबे scary है यार, ये कभी सर पे गिरा तो?
Glacier at the top will start melting and we'll get the water, farmer will get water. But in the early spring when farmer irrigate their field, early spring means late August or late March or early July, people start irrigating their field, farmer. So that is when people need water the most, but there is no water because the glacier at the top are already very cold. There is no melting of glacier much. So this kind of ice stupa does work. You have water at the glacier at the very lower elevation. This will melt.
अभी ये साइड से अभी ये साइड से
कुछ नया निकालो Alright, stop. Guys, stop making and start.
end of the movie they have the
Yeah.
clips.
Guys, stop melting and start making.
So we're heading back to the village where we are going to have lunch. And this is just day 2 and I've already walked around 12,000 steps. So far I'm feeling good, pretty excited for the race. But even before the race, there's been like so much to explore, so much to learn. क्या खिलाओ तेरे को? घास खिलाओ? अरे खाना? What do we have here? So basically खाने में आज है rice, dal. What is this? This is I think fermented salad. I think so. Saag and egg curry. It's not veg? No, it's veg. It has to be. This is day 3. We are going to Khardungla, basically for acclimatization. After that, we're going to run probably a few kilometers just to get a feel of it. We're at South Pulu, 4,500 meters, and it's snowing. This is the first time I've seen snow. थोड़ा सा हो रहा है, ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है, but yeah. And here onwards, all the vehicles need to have chains on their wheels so that they don't skid. भी खाना है? अरे उसको दे रहा हूँ ना? दे दो, कैच करेगा?
ये यही घुसेगा।
कैच। आय शाबाश।
पपी
ए, उसको मत दे, उसने बहुत खाया है। मैंने बहुत खिलाया उसको।
मेरी फोटो खींचना।
वह वीडियो खींच रहा हूँ। सुन ये लोग ना कैच, वो बंदा ना कैच बहुत सही करता है। देखा? Oh my God! Look at that! वो क्या लेके आ रहा है क्या किसी को? Oh my God! Oh my God!
दांत लग रहे हैं यार।
हाँ तो वैसा मत कर, हाथ में मत दे उसको, ऊपर छोड़ दे। Okay, that's it. We're going to do a small run walk.
Yay!
Run from South Pulu downwards. Probably we'll spend 45 minutes. And the altitude is a good 4,600, which is quite high.
Jumla just be my yuldi, Rito jumla just be my yuldi. Shezrik tosna zombe pangotani, oh shezrik tosna zombe. be pangzutni Chino lamzang sten pe thap zangi Chino lamzang sten pe thap zangi Riksna choksna jume mi riksi Oh riksna choksna jume mi riksi
So I finished almost 4 kilometers. थोड़ा सा slight headache है. This small little run walk is a big reality check and eye opener as to the kind of fitness that this event demands. Yeah, थोड़ा nervous तो हूँ because frankly इतना fit काफ़ी अनफिट हूँ मैं ये टाइम पे. But let's see, मज़े करेंगे थोड़ा एंड कंटेंट अच्छा शूट होगा.